Hey guys, I opened up the terrace door and it's almost summertime, so the gnats got in, and in less than an hour I made this concoction, and I believe it's about 5 or 6. They are drawn to this. All it is white vinegar, sugar, dishwashing liquid, and warm water. And what I did was I added a little bit of pineapple juice, and they are flocking to this bowl like crazy. And once they get in, they die automatically. So if you're having problems with gnats, I would say try this, because it hasn't even been an hour and they are just gravitating to this concoction. So once again, it's a cup of white vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of sugar, a cup of warm water, about 6 to 8 squirts of dishwashing liquid, and I just added like a tablespoon of pineapple juice, and they are just flocking to this bowl. So guys, I hope it works for you. It's working for me, and I can't stand, I know it's gnats, but I call them GNATs. Okay, bye guys.